Hey guys, so we're out here fishing at Riverwalk.
You said they took a lot of your crab last time, huh?
Out of my Oh yeah, I felt the tug. So we're out here at Riverwalk trying to fish. We've been out here since 7 something. It's been a little over 2 hours, I think. Okay, maybe we're barely at 2 hours or an hour. 2 hours. Yeah, a little bit of 2 hours. Still no luck, but there are people catching fish. Obviously, an amateur, but I would really love to catch a trout, which they've recently stocked in the last, maybe 3 days? Trout, 3 days ago. So that's what we're aiming to catch, but no luck yet. I have 2 poles going. So I have this one, which has a trout bait, I guess, on it. I don't know what they're called. It's like a little octopus thing. And then I have that line there, which has a worm and that the fish is partially ate but didn't pull on it at all, and some power bait on it. So we'll see. I'm hoping today will be the day that I get to catch a trout and do my first catch and cook. Not for video purposes, but just because it's something I've been wanting to try. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see. Hubby over there. This is how we're spending our vacation, which is nice, especially since I don't feel sick anymore. We'll keep you posted. Okay, so this is my setup. I have a weight, and then my husband says this is for weight, but we're gonna put a little bit of this. Since I had a really big bite when I went to the car, as I mentioned, I was fighting a little bit of a cold. I'm a lot better now, but I went to go get tissues soon. We're just gonna add this back here. I don't know what I'm doing, so please, be generous in the comments. Be kind, basically. Any tips would be much appreciated. Just don't be rude about it. Again, I'm an amateur. I don't know what I'm doing. So, helpfulness would be more appreciated than you're stupid, don't do that. Okay. Hopefully I don't do a stupid ass cast. Let's see. Alright. And now we wait. I was making a dance and jig and stuff earlier, but that didn't seem to be doing anything. And then I'm looking at all these other people fishing, and it seems like they're catching stuff just by waiting. So that's what we're gonna try. Let me check my other one. So we're out here still waiting, and just across the way there, I don't know if you can see them because they're pretty far out. I guess is a game warden. I'm not sure what they're called, but like the officer officials that oversee that we're following the rules for fishing came out. A little nervous, no lie, when they came up to us. They were really nice. They just asked us for our fishing license, which they checked out themselves, asked if I had the 2 rods, and then my husband had the other 2, which, we did. My husband is over there. I don't know if you guys can see him talking to another person who's fishing. I admire that about him, how he is just a people person. I think I come off across rude to people when I don't know them, but that's just because I'm extremely nervous and there's a bug on my thing. Okay, go away. I don't know how to talk to people I don't know. It's like very, very, very awkward for me. So I do have a little bit of like social anxiety, and I don't know how, I guess, to ask questions. Fish. Hold on. heard the bells ring. Did you guys hear it? I heard it. I don't think I have anything though. No. Man. I heard it though. It jingled. It jingled. Alright. Sorry. I know that's probably like awful because I just have you in my front pocket on my coveralls or overalls, whatever you want to call them. But it is what it is. Yeah, so he's over there mingling, finding out what we're doing wrong. Because people have been catching fish. There's been a group of people to the right and left of me who have caught fish, like the gentleman he's speaking with. He's caught fish. He has a little thing out there in the water just keeping his fish fresh. I just really want to try a trout, so we'll see. The plan is to stay here all day. And I'm hoping at some point I'll at least catch one. I don't care what size it is. If there's no size restriction, I'm taking it home. I'm gonna try a trout. God willing. This is my husband's line. He went to go get food. And it was jingling. Do you have a fish? Or is it tiny, tiny, tiny fishes? There's tiny, tiny fishes. Let's see if I can get a shot of them. Tiny, tiny, tiny little fishes. I don't know if that's what's pulling on the line, but we don't want those. Nothing else happened, so maybe that's what it was. I don't know. Where are you? Another one? Hi, fishy. Where do I grab you from? Ah! Alright, I'm sorry. Sorry. I know. How is it hooked in? There you go. I'm so sorry. I think so.
Get the same one?
I think so. You didn't learn?
That one's a lot bigger. They're they're still fun to catch.
Yeah, that's the first one, so my first one ever.
Yeah, that one looks a little bigger than the last one. They're fun as heck to catch.
Yeah. I know. All right, little guy. Let's go back. Yeah. I just took a picture of you. Come on, come on, come on. Please be a trout. Please be a trout.
Stop pulling it up. Okay.
Please be a trout. Please be a trout. Oh, it's another carp.
Same one, dude. You don't learn. Oh, you're all loose and you grab that. Man. He said third time's a charm. Oh.
It snapped off. The hook.
Oh, no way. He'll come back. Shit.
Wow, the one that got away.
That was the one that got away. That's the third one. Man. Oh, really? You took the hook?
Yeah. So we are in a new spot, not too far from the original spot, which is over there. That's Alex still there. But we're over here now where we met Kyle, and he caught his almost limit of trout. Since that's what we're trying to catch, he was nice enough to tell us when he was leaving and told us to come over here and have our try at it. So it was really nice. He's the one that came over to help me unhook the carp. So I've caught 2 carp. Alex has caught 1. Technically he's caught 2, but I reeled in his because he wasn't here when his line caught the fish. He had stepped away. So 3 fishes later and still no trout. So we're determined to catch a trout. We know that there's trout. So if we don't catch one today, we're coming back tomorrow. But so far, no such luck. It's been a nice day though, compared to what the weather was like yesterday. I didn't film, but it's been a nice day. So I have my pole right there. That's Alex's. And then here's mine. Kyle said that he was using just worms and not too far out, so we have our lines fairly close to shore. I'm hoping that we'll catch a trout too, but we'll see. Now, as I mentioned, we will be coming back tomorrow. We're going to get more worms, and let's just see how it goes. But we're going to do our first catch and cook. You'll see. You'll see.